In today's equity index futures markets, let's look at the Nasdaq futures as they're recovering today. Nasdaq futures coming off of a couple days of heavy selling pressure to trade higher today. Now, initially, we did see the Nasdaq futures down quite a bit before the market opened, but then we did get some positive data moving us up on the day, and currently we're up just under 1% after being up as much as 1.5% intraday. Driving factors today, really data-driven. The PCE data being the primary driver as it came in below expectations, again, shifting some of the sentiment in the market as far as the Fed and interest rates. Coupled that with consumer sentiment numbers pretty much across the board stronger than anticipated. And that was another catalyst as to why we're seeing some higher price action throughout most of the session. Still, as I mentioned, holding on to a gain, but well off the intraday highs as we're seeing some expiration movement here as we move towards the close. But Nasdaq futures are now coming off of a 3-week low before this higher price action today. So we are trading down the lowest levels since early December before this recovery today. And when you look at the price action across the board, we're seeing most of the major equity index futures markets higher after the big selling pressure they experienced in the middle of the week, and recovering with the Nasdaq futures trading higher after trading down to a 3-week low in the previous session.